Hello. So we are going to look at the P5JS code for the assignment on making a game. All right, again, that is this assignment here, program a game. And in this assignment, I give you this code here. We're going to talk briefly about what this does and how are you going to use this to easily add something you like. So if you paste this in and hit play, this is what you're going to see. And this is similar to what we've done before. The one big difference is you see the description of this rectangle shape, this red rectangle right here, before the function draw with the other variables. This is going to make things a little bit easier when it has to interact with things. So I give you a spot here in quotes to describe where the target is. So we could describe a target. For example, if you want a target in the upper right corner, that would be like x is greater than 300 and x is less than 350 and y is greater than 300 and y is less than 350. So that's our target. And now here in the code, so if eval player, that means it's looking at the player variable here. So we want to find where it says if eval target. This is going to be where the target is. Where the target is, I want to see the dots that are coming down colored in blue. Now, if I restart it, I'm going to see blue here at the target. Now, this is if eval obstacle. Here, I would put the stroke color for the obstacle. Right now, it's not going to do anything because I haven't described where the obstacle is. Here, if eval player and eval target, this is going to be what happens when the red thing, the red rectangle, touches the blue rectangle. And I just wanted to say that you win. So I'm going to say text, you win. And I'll do that in the middle of the screen, which is 200, 200. Okay. And that's really it. Now, what do I need to do? I need to add H and V to be able to change somewhere so that this moves. So if you recall for player, wherever I see an X, I'm going to change it with an X minus H. Wherever I see a Y, I'm going to do a Y minus V. Now, because we're doing it, describing this inequality up here, I don't have to do the minus H and minus V in multiple places. I can just do it here, and then that's it. So now, using the arrow keys, I can make it move. And if it touches here, it's going to say you win. I think you win is kind of dark. I'm going to change the text color. So text is a stroke. I think forget if it's a stroke or a fill. I'll change the fill to yellow. And I'll change the text size to be bigger. Now the same thing should work. So it's the fill is bigger, size 30. There. Now I don't have an obstacle yet, and this game is not very fun. I just go here and it says you win, and then move away. However, this should give you an idea and get you started on how to make something maybe more interesting. You could have the obstacle be something that moves, something that's big and stays still. You could have the goal target move around too. There are lots of things you could do with this. So I hope this is helpful.